Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Skills Exceed, where we make learning IT skills easy and fun. In today's video, we'll be diving into the basics of Microsoft Excel. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's open Microsoft Excel. You can do this by searching for it in your Start menu. When you first open Excel, you'll see a blank workbook. Let's break down what we're looking at here. At the top, we have the ribbon. This is where you'll find all the tools and features you'll need. It's organized into tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. Each tab has a different set of tools. The Home tab is where you'll spend most of your time. Here, you can find tools for formatting text, aligning cells, and working with numbers. Below the ribbon, we have the formula bar. This is where you can see and edit the contents of the currently selected cell. The main area is the worksheet, made up of cells arranged in rows and columns. Each cell can contain text, numbers, or formulas. Alright, now that we're familiar with the interface, let's try entering some data. Great! Now we have a small table of data. Let's do some basic formatting to make it look nicer. First, let's bold the headers. I'll select all cells and click the bold button in the Home tab. Next, let's adjust the column widths to fit the text. I'll select all columns, then double-click between the column headers. Finally, let's add borders to our table. I'll select all cells and click the All Borders button in the Home tab. Now our table looks much cleaner and easier to read. Formatting your data properly is important for both readability and professionalism. And there you have it. You've just learned the basics of entering and formatting data in Excel. In our next video, we'll dive into some simple formulas and functions that will help you analyze your data. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and happy learning.